I was at the Crowley Courts building quite early this morning, and around 10 minutes after 9 local time, I watched hordes of media, throngs of cameras following Johnny Manziel every step he took up the elevator, down the hallway, and into the courtroom 2 minutes later, as Judge Roberto Cañas had ordered him to appear for the bond hearing for today. Judge Cañas was actually cordial to Manziel, asking him, "How you doing, Mr. Manziel?" Never really put Manziel at dis-ease, and he laid out the conditions of Manziel's bond, and they were basically two. The first, and perhaps most important, was the idea that he is to keep his distance from the accuser, his former girlfriend Colleen Crowley. The judge told Manziel he's not allowed to email, text, write letters, call, or be on social media with Crowley. Even if she initiates contact, he is an adult and he has to know not to write back. Also, he asked Manziel whether he possessed any firearms. The answer was no. And whether there were any firearms where Manziel lived, Manziel had to sign an affidavit to that effect. The judge's main role was to make sure that everyone involved in this case is safe. The attorneys flanking Manziel were Jim Darnell and Bob Hinton. They left the courtroom without comment. The entire thing took only 4 minutes, and a court date was set for June 24th. There was much more media here than you would expect. In fact, some people were rather cynical about the amount of media for what people called a misdemeanor, not a capital murder case. And one judge, not Cañas, another judge in the building, walked up to a group of reporters and said, "Are you guys really discussing the merits of a 24-year-old knucklehead?" A lot of cynicism here in Dallas.